everybody, my name is Kayla and I'm a physical therapy aide.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Negin Jalayer. We are coming to you from Marathon Physical Therapy in Great Neck, New York. We are here doing our very first ever question of the month.
Woohoo!
Where we take a poll of all of your questions, all of our patients' questions, and we pick one and we answer one for you live on Facebook every month.
Great, so the first question that we'll be having on our first ever segment is a question that we get a lot from patients here at the office, and that question is when to use cold pack or hot pack. So when you come into our office or into any office, you usually get the cold pack or ice pack from the therapist or aide that's working with you because they know your symptoms, they know what's best for you. But a lot of the times you don't really know what to use when you're at home, and we really wanted to discuss that with you so we can clear up some of the confusion. So let's start up with the cold pack. When can patients or you at home use a cold pack? When is it the best to use?
Great question. Ice or cold pack is good if you have throbbing pain, if you have a recent injury, if you have swelling, or if you have soreness to the touch, or if your joint feels like inflamed and hot to the touch. So a great example would be, I just played softball this past Sunday, and as soon as I hit the ball and ran to first, I pulled my quad muscle.
Oh,
so
horrible.
I know, it was horrible.
Yeah.
So I knew right away I had to go home and use ice for the first 3 to 4 days.
Okay. So definitely in the beginning of injuries, you should recommend that?
Definitely the first few days after an injury.
Okay, great. And then, so we want to actually show you guys an example of cold packs that you can use. So we have 2 cold packs here that we can show them.
So this one we commonly use on the low back. So it's going to go like this.
Right there.
And so you would position it on your back where your back hurts, and you would sit or lie down comfortably so that you don't have to worry about moving around or it falling out of place.
Okay, great. And then we have this cold pack right here.
Right. So this we commonly use if we have to wrap around the joint,
Okay,
or if we have to,
Don't mind my flip-flops, guys.
So if you wrap around, if your knee hurts or if your knee is swollen, you wrap it right around, or on top of the shoulder. It rests really nice.
So the smaller ice pack is better for a conforming area where it's like a bent joint over here. And then the square one is better for like bigger areas. And you can find these ice packs at CVS, Target, like your drugstore, or even Amazon. But where can people out there use if they can't get to these types of ice packs, like something in the fridge?
That's a great question. We get that all the time. So the number one thing that we recommend here at Marathon Physical Therapy is if you do not have an ice pack, that's okay. Just grab a bag of frozen vegetables from your freezer, a bag of frozen peas, or corn works great because they're little pieces and you can just bend them and put it right around the area that you need it for. The other thing would be to fill up a Ziploc bag with water and add a little bit of rubbing alcohol to it, and then put it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then it'll freeze into like a little bit of a slushy material.
That's like a pro tip right there.
So it's not like a hard piece of ice that you cannot really lay over your knee, for example.
Yeah, so the alcohol gives it the conforming for the ice. That's
Keeps
pretty
it
cool.
Slushy.
Yeah, I didn't know that, so that was definitely a great tip. So
thanks, Kayla.
Yeah, no problem. So next, let's talk about heat, because this is what we want to do: cold versus hot. So when can people use hot packs at home? When do you recommend it?
Heat is best if you have stiffness, if you have tightness, or if you have achy pain. So if you're one of those people where you get up out of bed in the morning and you cannot straighten up, or you can't move your knee so well, it feels really stiff when you go to bend it or straighten it, heat would be the best option.
And what can they use at home for heat? Because I know there's a couple different types of products.
You can use an electric heating pad. So that would be, you plug it in the wall, you let it warm up, and then you wrap it around the area that you need it for. You place it on your backside, or you can use one of those rice-filled.
Is it like a heating pack with rice in it?
Yeah, it's like they sell them at the local drugstores or at CVS, and those are the ones where you can microwave them. So
that's pretty cool.
And they heat up. Just be cautious not to heat it for too long, and to test it before you lay it on your neck or your back or your knee.
Yeah, definitely for everyone that's watching or who will be watching, definitely want to be cautious when you're using ice packs or hot packs. Because especially with ice packs too, you don't want to put it directly on the skin, even with the hot pack itself, because it could burn your skin with ice or heat. So please be cautious when using both these types of products, because you don't want to cause any more problems for yourself, especially when you're trying to help the problem.
So always keep in mind to keep one layer when you're using ice in between the ice pack and your skin.
Yeah, and if you buy any products, please read the directions, as annoying as that might be, but it's definitely for your caution to be using that. And so another question is, how long should they be using these products for, like ice and heat?
So heat or ice can be used for 10 to 15 minutes, or even just a little bit longer, as long as it's not creating a burn feeling. You just want to be cautious not to keep ice on for an endless amount of time thinking, oh, I just hurt myself, I need to keep it on all day. No, no, no. You want to put it on for the 10-15 minutes, then take it off. Because what your body will do if it's on for a continuous amount of time is it's going to work against what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to cool down an area, get rid of swelling, your body, if it's on for too long, it's going to want to heat the area back up again if it's been if the cold's been on too long.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that, actually. That's pretty interesting. Yeah. So definitely don't keep it on for an hour, because we've had people do that and we don't want anyone to get hurt. So please take the 10 to 15 minute time, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. So let's do a quick recap just so that we can end this video with a little bit of pointers. So cold pack, let's do that first.
So cold pack is good for swelling, of recent injury within the first 3 to 4 days, swelling in an area, soreness in an area. So if you do a light massage over your knee or your shoulder and you find that it feels like it's bruised feeling, if it's sore, ice is good for it. And of course, if it feels like if it's hot to the touch, like almost like it has a fever.
Okay, great. And then heat. Let's do
heat is best if you have tightness, achy pain, and stiffness.
Okay, great. That was all great, guys. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Please tune in for more videos like this. We'll be doing one every month, answering your guys' questions that you can ask us here in our office or commenting down below. Please comment down below any questions that you have about this video, any other questions you want us to answer in the future, and like this video if you enjoyed it, please, and share it with everyone so that we could help everybody else out there with this confusion that everyone has. Okay, good.
So, like Kayla said, comment down below if you have any other questions regarding heat versus ice, or if you have any questions regarding any other ailments. Like, share, comment, message us. Feel free to call us at our office in Great Neck, New York. Our phone number is 516-487-9810. We will be so excited to answer any questions that you have, and then broadcast them live on Facebook here.
Yeah, definitely. And look out for some notifications. We'll definitely notify you when our next video will be going up, and we hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.
Bye. Take care.